Well, folks, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. It's Timothy Thomas. I am super excited that you took the opportunity to stop by the channel. Hey guys, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm going to talk about this opportunity here. It's going to be special. It's going to be incredible for 2021. But before I go there, my channel is about money making opportunities. I promote several opportunities, and we promote them almost on a daily basis. Several times a week, I upload videos. And when you get a chance, come take a look at the channel. Every opportunity that I have posted absolutely works. Take a look at it at your leisure, and we'll go from there. I have online opportunities and offline opportunities, and you can go from there. So, but every one of them work, guys, and I believe in multiple streams of income. Have you ever seen a Walmart or Costco that only have one product? If you have diversification, you got money coming in from multiple streams, folks. That's how you build wealth beyond your wildest imagination. So I'm super excited to have you on the channel. Today, guys, let's look at this thing here. This is going to be what I call a money generating miracle. And stay tuned, guys. Give me probably, I usually keep these videos around 15 minutes. So give me about 13 more minutes. And I'm going to talk about this video, this program here. I think it's going to be an income generating miracle. Hands down, the fastest, the easiest way to reach $500 per month or more. $500 plus. I mean, folks, if you get excited, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. Folks, this thing can potentially earn you thousands per month. And I'm going to show you how this thing works. It's incredible. I was in an opportunity a few years ago. Look at the testimonials, folks. Look at the testimonials there. And we're going to go, and we'll talk about those in just a minute. But I was in an opportunity a few years ago, and I was always on a search. We was an opportunity, folks, that converted like crazy. I've been in this program, folks, for a little over a week, and it's like passing out candy. It's incredible to me. Again, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action. You can buy these systems all day, but until you show them to people. Folks, if you show this to people, it will absolutely resonate. It can resonate with them, and they will partner. Folks, it's $12 to get started. Did I say that again? Mic drop. Boom. $12 to get started. And I'm going to show you how powerful this thing is. Don't you underestimate the power of this program. Let's take a look at it. Create money on demand. And I will have this young man, when you get a chance, guys, watch this video of what Jeff has to say, how you can become a student of this program. What this program is, guys, it is a marketing system. It's the Global Prosperity team marketing system. And folks, you can literally use it to market whatever you're in. Now, you can use this to sell to other marketers to market their business, or you can use this as your primary business opportunity. And when you start getting good at it, you can start plugging other businesses in the back office. And all you do is market one link, and you're promoting 15, 20 different items. That is incredible to me. Very excited about the Prosperity Team marketing system. And the strategies are absolutely exciting. Now, when you become a member, let me show you some of the capture pages that you will have available. And I'm going to show you how to get started. Again, guys, it's only $12 to get started. And you can use this thing to create $500 plus per month. So you look at this entire video, guys. You owe it to yourself. I was in a, let me walk down memory lane for a minute. I was in a program, friends, a few years ago called Slap the Guru. That thing converted better than anything I have ever seen. Better than anything I've ever seen on the internet. It was amazing to me. I mean, it was jaw-dropping fun, duplicatable, and it was just amazing. I was so excited about it. The testimonials is really what sold the system. Folks, this thing has testimonials after testimonials after testimonials of what the system has done. And when you become a student and learn, guys, it'll help show you how to market your any business that you're in beyond your wildest imagination. And you can begin to look at this, guys. It says, need more information? Here's a recent webinar. Check out the webinar. I'm not gonna do that. All you need to do, guys, if you really want to just really take a look at it real fast, put your name and your email address and say, give me a free tour. And then you're going to get an email from me, and it's going to walk you through the system. It's just that simple. Put your name, email address in here, and you'll get an email from me with instructions. It's just that simple. But even before you do that, guys, you can listen to some of the testimonials, watch this webinar, and the bonuses are incredible. Guys, I'm even thinking about making a postcard for this system. Look at this, folks. Here is another. This is, okay, let me go back over here. This is one of the capture page. This is one of our highest converting capture pages. I don't know how high it's converting right now. I got traffic running to it. I'm running this test solo. I've been in it for, guys, only a week. So I'm getting the numbers down pat. In future videos, I'm going to be talking about, you know, the conversion rates and where we're at in it. But this is one of our highest converting pages, according to Jeff. And we'll go from there. Bonuses, guys, I'll talk about in another video. But you need to take a look at this thing and the amazing testimonials. And we'll go from there. We're going to come back maybe to a testimonial. I'm going to keep this video up under 15 minutes. But we're going to talk about testimony or right there at 15. Here is another, guys, capture page. Don't y'all know this thing will convert? Look at the money flying out of that thing. They're hands down the easiest affiliate program to reach 500 per month. Now, what the goal is here, listen very carefully. The goal is here is that while we're marketing, if you're in several opportunities with me, if you're already in an opportunity, if you have joined me something that has, get on the board with me with this, join with us in this, and let's take this ride together as we grow your income slowly over time with a small, with a easy to get into program. And along the way, I market big ticket opportunities where you can get $500 paydays, $3,500 paydays, $1,500 paydays. Right here, we're going to build this on the front end and those big tickets on the back end. And we're going to mix and match them. You follow what I'm saying? So right now you're snowballing. This thing will begin to snowball on you for a few months. Guys, I'm even going to make a postcard. Again, let me reiterate that I'm going to make a postcard. And anybody can mail a postcard. We set the system up. People get your postcard. They get excited and they join. Period. Get excited, get the postcard, and they join. Get excited, get the postcard, and they join. One of the highest converting offers I have ever seen. That's powerful. Explosive downline growth and 100% commissions are only a click away. Explosive downline growth, meaning that the program is absolutely duplicatable, and that is exciting. Now, look at this here, guys. Let me go back over here. When you join, guys, I'm going to keep this brief and up on it. This is the look at the back office. It's going to take you, when you get an email from me, it's going to, well, when you put your name and your email address, you can immediately set your system up. Basically, just click getting started here, dashboard. It'll walk you through the getting started instructions. And guys, look over here. This is your product. Look at all this. You're going to get member home. We're going to get, you can set your profile up, your subscription, your credit card payment, or how you want to pay. Your sponsor information will be here. Testimonial here, right here. We want to look at the compensation plan. This is the back office training courses, guys. Look at the information here. We're going to go over this in another video, but it's amazing. Now, let's look briefly at the compensation plan. I'm going to get off the video and I'll cover some other stuff in another video. Let me see if I can look at the compensation plan video in just a second. Here we go.
Hello, Darren Olander here, and I'm excited to share with you the compensation plan behind the Prosperity Market System. This system has an extremely powerful but simple compensation plan.
Look at this, guys. Create job killing income with just a $12 membership.
It is 100% with leverage, and this means all the money goes to the members. I keep absolutely nothing. And the leverage means as you build your team will help you make sales. So you can actually turn one sale into an unlimited amount more. That's a lot more rewarding than 100%. With the Prosperity Market System, I'm actually giving it all away to you. You get paid better than me. I've spent a fortune developing the system. I'll continue to do that, and as well as maintaining it. The members get 100% commission.
100% commission
when I directly
is what Darren
just like you
is saying.
For me, that's enough, because I know the system works. I already make more than enough just promoting the system myself. That's why I'm so confident that you can too. The fees that you pay for your membership, for example, go to your upline, just like the fees of your referrals will do for you. So all you have to do to get that ball rolling is join and then start building your team. So let's get into the details of the compensation. So this is what a traditional referral tree looks like. This is you at the top. This is where it all starts. And many of these on the next line are all your referrals. You can have a limited amount of referrals on here. So let's say you referred Jim, Mary, Adam, and Sarah. You'll earn 100% of whatever Jim is paying. Now after the processing fee, which has to be removed because we're charged that from the processing company, 100% of that is paid out. So you'll earn 100% of that after that's done. Now, your second sale and your fourth sale are actually passed up to your upline. And this is to secure leverage for you for the future so that it can snowball into a ton amount of extra sales for you. Your third sale goes 100% to you, just like your first sale did. And your fifth sale and any sale after that go 100% to you every single month. But let's get into how the leverage works and why that is so good.
Okay, guys, you see that? You're going to pass up. You're going to get your first sale, pass up your second, get your third, pass up your fourth, and every fifth sale to infinity is yours. Incredible. And everybody up under you has got to pass up their second and fourth sale down through infinity. Guys, do you see what can happen over time with this program?
Now, look at your first referral, Jim. So he's made as many referrals as you, for example, let's say 4. His first and his third sale go 100% to him, just like yours did. Now his second and fourth sale are passed up, just like your second and fourth sale is passed up. Except this time, his second and fourth are passed up to you because you're his sponsor. So you make 100% every single month into your pocket. And what's even cooler is this goes to unlimited levels. So, say this person, the referral of Jim, makes 4 sales. Well, their first sale and their third sale go 100% to them, just like it did for you and it did for Jim. Now their second and fourth sale are passed up, and since they were passed up to you, their second and fourth is also passed up to you. So as you can see, this will snowball in the amount of sales that other people are making for you. All you need to do is get the ball rolling, and as other people start making sales, they'll begin passing up to you. And the same thing would happen with these second and fourth sales that Tammy made. Well, their second and fourth sales are also passed up to you. So, and that goes to unlimited levels. Now that's a lot of income potential there. And all you have to do to get that leverage is pass up your second and your fourth sale, which will go to your upline sponsor. Or if you are passed up to someone, then you're passing up your sales to them. You'll earn 100% of your sales, your first and your third, and in your fifth sale and any sale after that, as well as the second and fourth sale of any of your referrals, and then any pass-up sales. So there's a ton of income potential here. I hope you can see it. I look forward to paying you a ton of commissions from this. All you have to do is get the ball rolling. I look forward to sending you those commissions. Take care.
That, friends, is powerful. And get a chance, guys, go back through, listen to this video over and over again. Check out the compensation putting in. Go through this webinar. Guys, I'm telling you what, we've got something big on our hands for 2021 and beyond. Get it started today, guys. It's only $12 to get started. And we'll go from there. Bye for now, guys. Until the next video.